Discuss about the KTM Duke 125 BS6 model. This price is around ex-showroom price is 1.42, on-road price is around 1.6. Let's see the images now. See the all images. Is orange and white color. Left size one. Front left view. The light is of Duke 250 adventure type. Headlight, engine, fuel tank, fuel 125, seat, rear tire view, this one, front tire view, front suspension view, rear suspension view, model name F125, front brake view, this is cooling system, rear brake, this orange color, and one more color also there, that is black and white. This one is black and white color. Black, white, orange. Let's see one video.
After a complete overhaul of the KTM 200 Duke earlier this year, KTM has brought the same styling updates to its baby Duke, the 125. Now, the bike has been launched at rupees 1.50 lakh ex-showroom Delhi, so that's roughly 7,500 rupees more than the outgoing model. Extra room for the rider, so heavier riders, larger riders will find it roomier. The international spec 125, this continues to run with an underbelly exhaust, not a side slung unit. Mechanically, and this is the orange. No changes to the instrumentation. Sadly, we cannot start this bike here to give you the exhaust note or show you how it is, but basically there's no change over here.
Best price, quick payment, free.
Now we see the specifications. BS6 engine is 125, max power is 14.5 PS, gear speed 6 speed, 6. And ABS, single channel ABS, petrol, 6 gears are there, alloy wheels, tubeless. Weight is 160 kgs, 159. Tubeless tire, alloy wheels, low weight 159, 13.5 liter tank capacity. Here are the key specifications are on-road price is 1.62. KTM is 125 on channel. Split seats are there. Digital speedometer, digital trip meter, low battery indicator, step up seat, liquid cooling system, digital console, drive check, chain drive, transmission manual, brakes disc, chassis is split trails frame, suspension, treble drive suspension, inverted telescopic, monoshock, tubeless alloy, ground clearance is 175, seat height is 818, taillight LED, turn signal lamps LED. So I am closing my vlog. Subscribe to my channel PVK Motovlog.